Hey guys, it's Dustin with ClicksGeek, and I'm back with a new Google Ads case study from a foundation repair client. Before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure that you do subscribe so you don't miss all the great case studies and Google Ads training that we drop in here daily for you. So let's dive into this campaign. We're going to review a 30-day window on this campaign. Our daily budget on this campaign is $2,800 specifically. In this 30-day window, we've driven 284 clicks. The conversion rate is 18.31%, not too bad. 52 conversions have been driven, and then a $178.36 cost per acquisition per lead. So that's a per lead amount. And then the total cost for that is $9,274.66 for that campaign for the last 30 days. This specific type of campaign is driving both calls and lead gen form. So the calls is pretty straightforward. The consumer either touches the phone number to dial directly on their mobile device, or they pick up their phone, dial it manually from like a landline or their mobile device. They could do that as well. And then all those leads are then tracked back into this campaign like automatically, and that way we can measure their effectiveness. Let's take a look at the ad groups really quick. And the ad groups are just basically categorizations of keywords. As you can see here, foundation repair, floor leveling, French drains, basement waterproofing, foundation inspections, termite damage, foundation crack repair. And so basically inside of each one of these are associated keywords of exactly what we want to drive the consumer from what they're searching to this campaign. So let's take a look at some of those keywords so you can get an idea. All right, so you can see here the keywords are very intent focused. We don't have a lot of broad match or anything like that. So we're using phrase match and exact match. So a phrase match just is essentially foundation repair has to consist in exactly what the consumer is searching for. And then exact match is it has to be exactly formatted like this when they search inside of Google. And as you can imagine, this drives a higher level of quality of clicks to the campaign, which results in lower cost of acquisition and headaches. So if you own a foundation repair business and you're interested in running a successful Google Ads campaign like this one that I just showed you, reach out to us through the application link in the description below in the video. Our team can set up a campaign like this one for your business and launch it in as little as 24 to 48 hours. So that's all I have for today. Have a great day, and I hope to see you soon.